Midjourney has finally released its first video model, which is Midjourney V1, and it's absolutely mind-blowing. I have been testing it out for the last 48 hours, and Paprika here has been part of the test. She wants to be on the video, so she'll be here, guys. And let me just show you. These are some images that I generated, like, I don't know, a long time ago, and they're not even from the V7 model of image generation. And my mind is just like, it's also very nicely and neatly well done in an experimentation way, so it's very easy to use. I'm gonna show you some more examples. All of these I did with the auto feature. I didn't prompt exactly what I wanted, but for example, here I did prompt it manually, and I asked for people standing outside in a group. Camera is in a crane and slowly zooms out, and wow, the accuracy to the prompt is just insane. We even see like the studio, the cranes, the people. We do have some weird moments overall, but honestly, it's just pretty insanely good. Something else that I have really liked is that the consistency on the style and the characters is just super good. Because what happens with other video models that are really good as well in other things is that usually they like fade out the style of the image. Like if you work really hard to get that cool style, you work really hard in your mood board or your SREFs or whichever platform you use, you work hard. And then you put it into a video model and then it just like disappears. The vibrancy, the colors, the texture, it just goes away. And I feel like here you got it. Something else that I like is that it's fast. It's insanely fast. And we were talking about that with Sergio and and I think it's because one, they're good, and two, because they generate the videos in 480p, which is smart because then you can just like take it to an upscaler and you're done. We have also the new upscaler Astra from Topaz Labs, and I have tested out. I'm gonna show you right now the one I did with Astra. So it's this way right here. So this is already upscaled to 1080, and the original size was this one. So overall, it's fairly good. Like you can work really well with this. Like you have people walking, feet are there, hands are there. I'm pretty sure we will see a new Will Smith spaghetti test really soon with Midjourney. And yeah, so I'm just gonna show you a bit more of my test. Like for example, this image originally, that's how it looked. It looked like these prints from the 70s on the magazines. That's like very plain on the colors, but very bright. And I wanted to keep that style when animating this, so it's pretty insanely good. This one was also automatically animated, and I really like what it did. It respected like the water vibes, the sadness, the intensity. I don't know. All of these images that you're looking at are fairly old, for at least 1.5 years ago. I'm going to show you, let's just animate a photo, an image, and see what happens so you know how to do it. So I have this image over here. It's from a short film I'm working with. So I'm just gonna animate it here. You click on auto if you want low motion. That will be that the camera and the subjects in the image just don't move a lot. And high motion will be that they move a lot. And the camera and the subjects. And if you do manual, it works the same, but you can type in your prompt. So let's do low motion for this one. And then I'm gonna do another one manually. Let's see which one. Okay, this one. Sorry. Okay, so as you can see, we sent out the two jobs, and the first one it's already 51% complete. The second one is starting, but that's pretty fast. I mean, what I like is that experimentation, it becomes really easy. Just like really straightforward. Start working on it, play with it, don't be afraid. That's what I feel like Midjourney wants the users to do. But everyone will eventually find their own workflow, and that's personally what I have liked a lot. Okay, so this one, oh wow. So actually the image had this texture of like glitchiness and like collage, because you see there's a lot of people and sculptors, so I really, really like it. This one has more emotion, I believe. This one's really good. And then you can just like it to save it on your favorites and download it here. If you want it to be better with compression, and download it here if you're just gonna take it over to Premiere or DaVinci. This is the other one. I mean, people are walking, camera is moving, it's zooming in. So basically, very strong prompt adherence. Like it really listens to what you're asking. And if you just go like auto, it's like really amazing. Like this one, right? I mean, I didn't put a prompt here, it was just automatic. So yeah, that has been my first impression overall. I have used it for 2 days now. I mean, not the whole 2 days, like 2 hours or 3 hours in total. And yeah, overall, I'm very happy with this new tool. I have always liked Midjourney. It was where I started using, it was where I started prompting text to image with AI. So it has been my home for like 3.5, almost 4 years, all the way back to Discord. So this is a huge step. So congratulations to the Midjourney team, and yeah, try it out. It's super fun. And also they have a really cheap plan, I think $10. So if you just want to test it out and see what's up with it, I think it's very affordable. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you at the next one.